welcome to this episode. Today I'm going to be talking about how to attach a 50mm lens, so 50mm lens onto this Canon 90D. So this is a new camera that at my workplace we've purchased, and I'm just doing a little demo on how to attach this lens onto this 90D. So this is a great camera if you're a student and you're looking to purchase a semi-professional camera that's going to last you for a while. DSLR, not so much mirrorless, and it's got the great features in terms of megapixels, ISO, aperture and shutter features. So it's got all those fantastic features in order for you to be able to capture those amazing pictures that you're aspiring to do. It's got a Digit 8 processor and it's a CMOS sensor. So what we're going to do is attach this 50mm lens, Canon. Alright, so if you're into macro photography, this is a 50mm 1.8 STM lens, and it's got manual focus and autofocus. So we're going to attach this lens onto this camera. This is brand new. You know it's brand new because it's got the seal. So whenever you purchase one of these, you might want to check that it's got the code on it, barcode on it. You know, if you're buying it from a second-hand supplier, and you might want to check this information because there are lots of sort of fake ones floating around, and you definitely want to get an original Canon lens. So I'm going to open this up. Okay, so I'm just going to move this camera away a little bit, move this in a bit, and when I open it up, in here I've got some the normal stuff, your kind of like instructions, a little bit about the product, and some leaflets going on about the warranty. So you might want to get it, you put warranty on this because it is a brand new product, and you definitely want to get the Apple warranty on these products because you never know, something could go wrong with them, particularly with these really sort of expensive cameras that you're thinking about getting. So I'm going to open this up, and inside there's some plastic. I'm going to open that up, and here's my lens, again nicely sort of packed. And I'm going to open this up, and here's my brand new 50mm macro, I think this is 1.8 50mm lens. It is a Canon one, so you definitely want to get the Canon ones, which are definitely the better products. So I'm just going to move this box out of the way, and I'm going to bring this camera back here, put this over here, move all this rubbish out of the way. And first of all, what you need to do is you need to push this button down and just open this up, and here's my lens. So I'm just going to put this down, well, my lens, to attach my lens, and I'm just going to unscrew this, and it will just come off so easily. There's a little red dot here, as you can see. There's a little red dot there. So all you need to do is grab your camera, marry up the two red dots, and you should hear click. There's your click, and then you literally just take your lens cap off, and you're ready to photograph. Okay, so there's my camera all set up. I'm in manual mode, so I can put it into auto mode if I want to, program mode, aperture mode, shutter mode, manual mode, bulb mode, creative control 1, 2 and 3, and scene recognition modes as well. So there's all my settings, and I am going to start to discuss the settings once my battery is charged up for the next video. So this is the Canon 90D, and I've just done a little product demo in terms of attaching this lens, 50mm lens, onto this body over here. So yeah, thanks for